Jano Star, I can't believe my own friend set me up. I can't believe my own friend tried to kill me. Oh my God. I can't believe my own friend turned his back on me. Jano, I can't believe my own friend grudged me for what I'm achieving in life. Oh, I can't believe my own friend tried to kill me. Well, people, Jano Star, that's the call. That's what many people are saying today. And many people who don't know that friends is their worst enemy. The people who many people think are their friend. Oh, Jano Star. Listen, remember what Bob Marley tell you all, you know. Only your friend know your secret, so only he shall reveal it. Yes, people, because at times being, you will think this person is genuine. You will think this person is loyal to you. You will say, yeah, he's my best friend. I'm a party, I'm a link, I'm a Jenna. But when I check it out, people, oh my gosh, at him set up you. At him make them come kill you, or he make them kill your brother and kill your sister. Yeah, them who you think say your friend, but they are not. Listen me now, people. Basically, alright, look here, I'm just talking, so I'm not talking to anybody specifically right now, you understand? I'm just saying and give people a heads up. And many people today, you know, them in a problems are them feel the answer who them call friends already. I know many people being sold up by the one who's closest to them, who they think are my brother, my sister, my link. Listen me, what friends is today, people, we don't know. But alright, I'm gonna give a heads up what me personally I think who is a friend. Zin, you see a friend, you know, because friend, to me, a friend should be like your brother, your sister, your mother, your father, your son, your daughter, your husband, your wife. That's what a friend should be. Someone who you love, someone who you care for. And the friend are going to do the same to you. Zin, a friend should be someone. Zin, if somebody come to the person and say, you know, say, Mark, I want to clown or this or that, or something like that negative about your friend are going to stop him before him even say nothing. Because he's your friend. A friend not gonna be somebody who they behind your back, talk behind you, and when him see you, him behave like everything is okay. That's not your friend, that's your worst enemy. Be careful of those people. Your people like those, cut them off. Give them an attack like this. Attack, X them out of your life. Listen me now, people. You don't need them there. You need loyal people, and they are so hard to find. It's like they're no more. You get me as a people? It like say them people gone on one next planet, or them never exist, or they exist but they are not around no more. Because basically, plenty killing we see a go on. Plenty people who dead. I ain't gonna say it's their friend cause it or their friends say, do it, but them friend play a big role in it sometime. The one, listen me now, I see this happen many times, Zin. Alright, you we are there, Zin, and you go tell this a man, say, listen, you know my boy, you know, say, I sort out a thing, me see a local shop down the road there, me da love you rent that shop there, you know, and me I get a local partner job, and me I go invest in it, you know. You where man tell you now, no? Yo, nobody do that here, man, a foolish is that here, man, nobody waste some money there, so, because 2 2s are open it, police may become shut you down now when you're sitting there. That's not your friend. You see something what you think achieving, your friend shall encourage you in a good way, a positive way, not a negative way. Zin, if him a go say something negative, him to give you 2 sides of it. So I'm gonna give you a positive side and I'm gonna give you negative. But once you end up looking with the negative part, him and your friend, him grudge you, him envy you, him bad mind you, everything in one. Listen me people. You see, yo. Somebody reached out to Newlink, and it's a Newlink. You know what I say? One of my close family got murder. You understand? And yes, when I would do and check out, you know, say I'm own friend kill him Newlink. You know, say I'm own friend who him rate and respect and have as somebody when say, yo, when he boy feed, he can't come on my yard and he sleep on my son bed and this and that. And with the thing say, take him real. And we cannot delay say, oh, and friend, oh, and boy, what we used to feed, kill him. Well, it's not the first that happened, but I'm happy that you do find him out or found him out, because it happens several times. The people who you expect and say, yo, you know, say, are the best thing them as friend, and them if you tell everything, Zane, and them you can't get everything, Zane. You think say them real, or them want to kill you, man. Listen, my people. Check you out. Run that test upon some of them sometime. The one them who you check for. Remember, make sure them every day you call link you, Zane, and him want this, and you give me. And make sure 2 times. Because you see 1 time, maybe you don't do it. But do it 2 times. I don't have it today. Next time, I don't have it. Watch the reaction. Remember, look at the reaction. Remember, I'm going to give you. You're going to see the difference there. Because them fake, them not real. Yo, you see me in newlink, me not keep friends. Me have links here, so I deal with pana a level, not to the fullest a level. And I'm being truthful because people are so fake and corrupted in these days. You don't know who to trust, and this is not something where me a build up in them or somewhere there a long time, but we fail to adjust to it because it was implemented long time. People warn you about friends long time. You understand? Your father may tell you when you're younger, or even your mother say you be careful of the friends them who you keep, but you just fail to understand, say, are the real thing she a tell you. Maybe you think say you just not want you go out and go enjoy yourself. But what they are trying to show you is people are fake, them not real, them will kill you. My viewers and my subscribers out there, all newlink I beg you to do. Look you know, stay away from negative-minded people. Stay away from so-called people. And you say once you find out a fake friend, don't make him be your friend again. Because once and him sell you 1 time, him I go do it again. Remember newlink tell you that. No give them no second chance. No give them none. No give them none. Viewers and subscribers, this is newlink from Newlink Production. And I mean say what? Attack, burn a fake friend. Bless up people. Enough love. I'm out. I hope you learn something and take it in. Oh.